Hi everyone, welcome to the webinar. My name is Marcella and I'll be your presenter today. So today we will be talking about how to place a Facebook ad through your Ticor Tech Farm account. And let me show my screen here. All right, so before we begin, I just want to mention that you will be on listen only mode for the webinar. So if you have any questions, let me know in the questions panel and I'll be happy to answer those. All right, so like I said, today we'll be talking, or I'll be showing you how to go in and place a Facebook ad directly through your Ticor Tech Farm account, either to your farms or to a specific city. So first off, of course, you need to have a farm in your account. So once we find our farm, let me just click on this first one here. Now we can place it to either the complete farm, which is what it will show you by default when you first click on your farm. You'll see all of the records in that farm. Or you can also place the ad for a specific demographic within your farm. So if you, as an example, if you were focusing on the absentee demographic, you can click on that absentee demographic and then go to the share button here on the top right and then go to the Facebook Instagram's ad section. So one quick thing I want to show here is we have the option to download the Facebook audience file as well. So the difference between the two options, the download Facebook audience file will allow you to download the farm information in a layout that is compatible with your Facebook business account. So when you do that, you download that file and then you can upload it onto a Facebook business account to go and create your ad, your custom audience ad directly in Facebook. Now we know that this option is it can be a little bit tricky. You do have to go in and set up your account, your Facebook account, and I believe Facebook makes you place certain ads or different ads before it allows you to create a custom audience ad in your account. So that's why we've added the place Facebook ad through Ticor Tech Farm. So, you know, if you are proficient with placing your own ads in Facebook, then you can continue to do that with the download Facebook audience. If not, you can do the place Facebook option on here. So I'll click on that. So it does give me several templates that I can choose from, and I can go in and choose any one of these. You will be able to modify them. So if I click on this one as an example, I can modify the name of the ad, the title, the headline, the description. I can also replace the image. So if I have a specific image that I want to use, I can just click here and add my own image into the ad. And then below that we have the URL. So we have the ad display URL. So that will be the website that is that shows up on the ad itself. You'll see like the text of that ad website. And then we also have the destination URL. So that will be where somebody, when somebody clicks on the ad, that's where it will send them. So by default, we have and let me show you, we have a landing page, which is basically a contact form that they can add, fill in all their information, put in their comments, click send, and you will receive that information in the email address that your account, your Ticor Tech Farm account is set up with. So you can go in and modify that as well. If you have a specific landing page that you would like to use, you can do that as well. We do recommend that it is something like a call to action, a contact form, or someplace where they can put in their information and then send that directly to you. Because if you put in just like the main page of your website, you will get that traffic, but you know, people tend to kind of wander and maybe they won't go directly into the contact us, you go looking for the contact us page in the website. So that's why we recommend sending them directly to where they can fill out their information, and then you will receive it directly into your email. So once we kind of make any modifications on here, we can click the preview button. and it'll show us what it looks like. If we change the image, it'll show us what that will look like. And what I was saying before is the display URL is what you'll see here at the bottom. You can change that, of course. And then the destination URL is when somebody clicks on it, that's where it will take them. All right, so now that we've kind of filled in everything here at the top, we can set a budget. So this basically means how many days you want that ad to run. So I can, by default, it shows us 10 days, but I can choose from 5 days all the way to 60 days. And depending on how many days you choose, the pricing will vary, of course. The default is 10 days, that's $75. You can also choose the start date. So if I click on that little field there, the calendar comes up where I can choose when I want that ad to start running. And depending on how many days you choose, it will show you the end date when it will end running. So next we go to choose our audience. And if you remember, when I clicked into my farm, I chose the absentee demographic. So this is showing me it's going to place the ad for the current filter that I chose, which would be the absentee. If I had done the entire farm, it would go to that. So if I uncheck this box, it gives me the option to put in a specific city. So I can type in a city there, add it to my locations. I can remove a city if I change my mind, I can go in and do that. I can choose the age range as well and the gender. By default, we'll leave the all selected, but you can go in and change that. And then lastly, it will take us to the payment. Let me choose my filter. So with the payment, you can place your ad either with credits that you have in your account. If you don't have them and you want to use credits, you can click the refill here, here button, or you can pay with a credit card. So that's a one-time payment. Once you do that, your ad will be placed. If you need to place another ad, you would go in and do that same process again. So once you place that ad, you can go back into your farm. So let me go back to my farm, and I can click on the share icon here and go to the Facebook, place Facebook option again. And this time I am going to click on where it says manage posted Facebook ads. So this will show me any ad that I've placed in my account. It'll show me the ad name, when it was created, when it was posted. I can click on the ad itself or the ad name to see a preview of it. And then I can click on where it says stats to view the stats for that specific ad. So those stats are going to be updated every 24 hours. So you can go in and check the status of that ad there. So any ad that you place on here will be listed here. All right, so we do have another way to go in and post those ads. It's the same process that I just showed you. It's just another way to get there. So you'll find that in the marketing section. And you have that place or Facebook, Instagram ad option there on this menu. And if you click that, it'll take you to that same place where you can choose your template or go to the manage posted Facebook ads. And that's it. That's how you go in and post an ad directly through your Ticor Tech Farm account without having to leave it, without having to going in to a Facebook business account, setting it all up and doing all that stuff that you need to do. You can go in and directly place it through here. All right. Does anybody have any questions? All right, so it looks like there's no questions, but if you have any questions later on, you can contact us in the help section. There's a contact support there. You can also contact your title rep. I'm sure that they'll be happy to assist you. So yeah, thank you so much for your time today, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.